In this video, I am going to talk about partitioning. The number of ways of partitioning n items into k groups with sizes n1, n2 to nk is given by this formula here. In other words, we can also say that number of ways we can partition n items into k groups is given by this formula. So this is like number of ways of putting n people into k rooms. So here we have n1 people, n2 people, and nk people. So the number of ways we can do this is given by this formula here. Now let's look at few examples. In this example here, we are given that a branch of a bank has 8 employees. How many ways can we divide the employees into 2 teams of 4? In this example here, we need to find out how many ways we can divide the employees into 2 teams of 4. So here n is 8 and n1 is 4 and our n2 is also 4. So we are looking at this. 8, 4, 4. So from this definition, this is equal to 8 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So let's try to put this in a calculator. So punch in 8, go to math, then go to probability, come down to number 4, then hit enter. So that gives us 8 factorial, then divide, put parentheses, then we need 4 factorial. So type in 4, then go to math, then go to probability, come down to number 4, then hit enter, times 4, then go to math, then go to probability, come down to 4. Okay, that gives us 4 factorial. Then hit enter. So 8 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 factorial is 70. What this tells us is we can divide 8 employees into 70 different ways into 2 teams of 4. So now let's look at another example. So here we need to find out how many ways we can divide 10 students into groups of 2, 3, and 5 students. So here n is 10, our n1 is 2, n2 is 3, and n3 is 5. So we are looking at 10, 2, 3, 5. So from the definition, this is equal to 10 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial times 5 factorial. Now let me put this in a calculator. So type in 10, go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4, hit enter, then put divide, then put parentheses, then we need 2 factorial, so type in 2, go to math, then go to probability, come down to number 4, hit enter, times 3 factorial, 3, math, go to a probability, come down to number 4, hit enter, then times, then type in 5, then go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4, hit enter, then close your parenthesis, then hit enter. So 10 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial times 5 factorial is equal to 2520. So let's look at one more example here. A clothing company wants to open 21 new stores, one each in 21 countries in the state of New Jersey. It wants to open 5 large, 6 medium, and 10 small-sized stores. How many ways can this be done? So here we have N as 21, N1 is 5, N2 is 6, and N3 is 10. So we have 21, 5, 6, 10. So according to the definition, this equals to 21 factorial over 5 factorial times 6 factorial times 10 factorial. So let's do this math in a calculator. So we need 21 factorial in the numerator. So let me type 21, then go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4. So that gives us 21 factorial. Then type in divide, then put parenthesis. Now we need 5 factorial. So type in 5, then go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4, then hit enter, times 6 factorial, go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4, hit enter. Then we need times 10 factorial. So 10, go to math, go to probability, come down to number 4, hit enter. Okay. Then close your parenthesis, then hit enter. So 21 factorial over 5 factorial times 6 factorial times 10 factorial is equal to this number here. That is 162954792. So let me put that down here. So it is 1, 6, 2, 9, 5, 4, 7, 9, 2. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.